This is amazing. I don't know why this doesn't exist yet. Let's change that. You may have heard of the Negroni Sbagliato, maybe recently. Quick recap if you missed our short on the Sbagliato. It is 1 part Campari, 1 part sweet vermouth, stirred, topped with 1 part Prosecco, and served up in a flute. Totally unrelated to the Sbagliato, except in my head. You may have also heard of the Ramos Gin Fizz, which, briefly, is a whole lot of ingredients. I had one of those great ideas that seem to only hit you in the shower. Why not a mashup of both? We're switching out the shaker this time for an ISI cream whipper. This can still be done with the same method as the regular Ramos you saw earlier, but this method gives much better foam. To the whipper, add 1 egg white, half an ounce of orange, as well as half an ounce of lime and half an ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of Campari, followed by 1 ounce of Carpano Antica. To enhance the flavor, add 3 drops of 20% saline solution, 3 dashes of orange bitters, I'm using Fizz, and 1 dash of orange flower water. And finally, add 1 ounce of heavy whipping cream. Using a scale, add 35 grams of ice to the whipper and shake until the ice has melted. This is a Sbagliato, so add an ounce of Prosecco to your Collins glass. Charge the cream whipper with 1 nitrous oxide cylinder and shake 5 more times. Vent the cream whipper into the Prosecco and release about half of the gas before slowly venting the remainder of the cocktail under the foam. This is ridiculous. It is super creamy, rich textured, amazingly light, very well balanced. The flavors of Campari are clear. It actually reminds me of an orange cream float with a hint of bitterness. Cheers.